Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2019 Nissan Rogue. So we have a 2019 Nissan Rogue, and we're going to go over how you replace this light, which is a clearance light, on the inner tail light assembly. We went over how you replace that. This is you go through the same process of removing this inner cover. You have to remove this inner cover, a few push pins and screws and a bunch of push clips to pull down and pull out. The black plastic cover removed. You're going to reach right up in here, twist this a quarter turn to the left, pull this out, and then this little light here is a 194 for your clearance light or a tail light. Get a new light, put it back in there, and then up and in the hole, you just twist it a quarter turn to the right to lock it into place. And so that's how you replace your inner tail marking light on your 2019 Nissan Rogue. Then you would put the big plastic piece back on and push all the push pins back in. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.